Hey there! If you're trying to link your Instagram profile to TikTok and keep running into the dreaded error message, invalid request parameters are invalid. Don't worry, error. Genie is here to help. This problem has been frustrating a lot of users, but I'll break it down for you step by step. Let's figure this out together. Why this error happens. This issue is caused by recent changes to Instagram's basic display API. Starting December 4th, 2024, Instagram made adjustments to how their API works. As a result, third-party apps like TikTok may no longer connect properly without updates from their developers. You'll see errors like request parameters are invalid, invalid scope user profile. Unfortunately, this isn't something you can fix on your end, but you can report it and help resolve it faster. Step 1. Report the issue to TikTok. Open TikTok app. Go to your profile page. Access TikTok support. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, menu. Navigate to Settings and Privacy. Then report a problem. Fill out the report form. Select a category related to Instagram connection issues. Provide detailed information, including the exact error message, request parameters are invalid. Steps you've taken to try linking Instagram to TikTok. A screenshot of the error message. Submit your report. TikTok's team will review your issue and work on updating their connection to comply with Instagram's API changes. Step 2. Check Instagram's developer page. Go to the Instagram developer portal. Visit Meta for developers, link in the description. Check for any updates or ongoing issues related to the basic display API. Keep an eye on app updates. Ensure TikTok and Instagram apps are up to date. Developers might release patches to address the API transition. Step 3. Alternative workaround, temporary solution. While waiting for TikTok to fix the issue, try this workaround. Use TikTok's manual sharing options. Instead of linking your Instagram profile directly, download your Instagram content and upload it to TikTok manually. Or use TikTok's link in bio feature. Add your Instagram link to your TikTok bio to guide followers there. Pro tip: stay updated. This issue affects not just TikTok, but any third-party app trying to connect to Instagram. Keep checking for updates or announcements from both platforms. That's it for this troubleshooting guide. Unfortunately, this issue requires action from developers, but reporting it and staying informed is the best way to resolve it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Error Genie for more step-by-step tech fixes. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. See you next time. Happy connecting.